Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today I'm making a super easy, super delicious dessert that you can use for your family or at parties or anytime you just want to make people say, wow! So what is the dessert? It's a chocolate fondue that you'll dip Rice Krispie treats in, strawberries, pound cake, pineapple, marshmallows. I mean, come on, does it get any better than that? No. So are you ready? Good. Let's get cooking. Let's get started with that chocolate fondue. What we're gonna do is basically make a double broiler out of our Ninja Foodi. You can also do it with the Instapot. Put in 2 cups of water. Make sure you hit the sear saute button on high. Get you a bowl and rest it right in there. Now take out your chocolate chips, open it, dump it in. Now you're gonna use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and a tablespoon of vanilla. And then mix it up. It's gonna take about 10 minutes for this to melt. So stir it often. So while we're waiting for it to melt, let's go ahead and cut up all the things we want to dip into our chocolate.
Hey, Tony.
Yeah. Oh yeah, good call, Michelle. Soft pretzels dipped in chocolate. As you can see, it's starting to look like chocolate milk. That's what you want. At this point, just keep scraping the sides down. Now, keep it in the bowl if possible. And keep stirring. All right, it's perfect. See how it's all nice and melted? Smells good. Now what you want to do is just switch it over to the keep warm feature because we're done melting. So if you have a lot of people over and you're having a party, go ahead and leave it right in here in the Ninja Foodi. Keep it on that warm feature and people can just walk by and get it as they want it. Or if you're at home with your family and you want to make something special, bam! Look at that! We have pineapple, we have pound cake, we have strawberries, we have Rice Krispie treats, marshmallows, and pretzels. Oh yeah! So let's ladle up some of that chocolate. Now let's move this out of the way. However many people you have coming over, make sure you have skewers. Look at that. Tell me you wouldn't be the hit of any party if you had that dish there. Or if you're just making dessert for your family. I mean, it's beautiful, isn't it? Now, by direction of my doctor, I'm not gonna try all of this. You know what each one of these things tastes like, but I am gonna dip a little of this pretzel in there. You know I gotta try that. I love chocolate covered pretzels. A little salt in there, that's fantastic. All right, I lied. I'm gonna get some strawberry. Doctor can't be mad at me for that, right? There it is, the ultimate dessert. Little something for everyone. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Let's eat.